Want to create amazing AI images instantly without any design skills? Imagine turning your ideas into visuals with just a few taps and a text prompt. Today, I'll show you how to generate and edit stunning AI images using ChatGPT step by step. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we reveal the smartest AI tools and tech tricks to make your digital life effortless. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Open your browser or app and navigate to ChatGPT. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all AI features. ChatGPT is your gateway to generating AI images and exploring creative tools. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating your first AI image. Step 2. Click on the plus icon. Look at the bottom or side of your chat interface and tap the plus icon. This icon opens the menu for AI features available inside ChatGPT. From here, you can choose to create text content, images, or other AI-powered outputs. Tapping the plus icon is the first step toward generating your AI visuals. Step 3. Click on Create Image. After opening the menu, select Create Image. This activates ChatGPT's AI image generator. Here, you can start turning text prompts or uploaded photos into high-quality visuals. This tool works for both new images and editing existing ones. Step 4. Upload and edit an existing image. If you want to edit an image, click the plus icon again. Select Upload and choose the image you want to modify. Then, type your desired prompt describing the changes you want to make. The AI will apply your instructions and generate a customized version of your image. If you're enjoying these AI tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post weekly tutorials on AI tools, creative apps, and smart tech tricks to help you stay ahead digitally. Step 5. Generate an image using only a prompt. If you just want to generate an image from scratch, click the plus icon and select Create Image. Type a detailed prompt describing your scene, subject, style, and mood. Press Enter and ChatGPT will create an original AI image for you. Within seconds, your unique image appears, ready for use. Step 6. Download, edit, or share your image. Tap on the generated image to open full screen mode. From here, you can download the image directly to your device. You can also edit further using ChatGPT's tools or share it via messages, email, or social media. This makes it easy to use your AI creations anywhere, from social posts to YouTube thumbnails. And that's how you create and edit AI images using ChatGPT like a pro. Whether you're designing for social media, YouTube, or personal projects, ChatGPT makes AI creativity fast, easy, and professional. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more expert AI tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.